Okay, the first step, obviously, before you can do any grouting technique, is to fill the grout joints with grout bag. So there are many different types of grout techniques. For ease of sake, I'm gonna just show you only a couple of techniques, the most popular ones. The first one is obviously the concave jointing. Basically, it's gonna have this concave shape in the grout lines. Make sure that you don't wait too much with the grouting because it's gonna dry on you. You can call this section being over grout. It's mostly for outside but interiors as well. The in-between is what I would call, it's still an over grout technique, but it's flush with the brick wall itself. We just cut it off. This is a very popular if you want to paint the wall. When you press your finger and the mud does not stick to your finger, you are about to be able to brush the wall like this, gently, not too much, just to make it more flush. This, you can leave it. Of course, it's not good for interior walls because this is very rustic indeed. And then on the bottom, I concaved it already, and then you just give it a light brush up and down. Make sure that the mud is dry enough so you are not gonna leave the mud like that on the top of your brick, and that's what you need to clean basically. But these are the three basic grouting techniques. As you can see, the very rustic, the concaved, and the flush, which is the in-between.